Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. This is your subject teacher of mathematics from LPM Public School, situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, my dear students, today I am here with a new unit, Unit 9, that is fractions. So, my dear students, do you ever heard about the fractions? Do you know what is a fraction? Now, I am going to tell you about the fractions and the concept of fractions in this video. So, listen carefully because I am going to explain the fraction with taking an interesting examples. So, let's begin the class. So students, when an object is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the object. You can say that in fraction, objects can be equally divided. So students, here activity is given. Color the left half of the kite red and the right half of the kite green. So students, here you have to color the half part of kite red as shown here and the right half part with green color. So each equal part that you have colored is called a fraction of the kite. So students, this was the fraction of kite. So you can write it as 1/2. So students, do you know what is this and how can I write this? Let me explain you with an interesting examples. So are you ready? Students, look here. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. So students, now I am going to take an example of pizza or a pie. So do you like to eat pizza and pie? Yes, I know. You like the most. So here, like a piece of a whole pizza or a whole pie. Students, look here. This is a whole pizza and this is a whole pie. A fraction is also a part of a set, like in a dozen cupcakes. So students, here, first of all, do you know how many cupcakes are in one dozen? 12. Do you ever go to the market with your parents and did you bought a banana from a shopkeeper? So what you call to a shopkeeper when you want banana? You will call, I want a dozen of banana. So in one dozen there is 12 banana. So here one dozen of a cupcakes is given here. So students, first of all, we are going to discuss about equal parts. To have a fraction, you must have equal parts. Students, here, look at this picture. This picture has not equal parts. And in second picture, there are equal parts. So students, what does a fraction look like? Now I am going to tell you how does a fraction look like. So students, fraction can be written as 1 upon 4. So students, here 1 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. This is clear to you all, right? Now students, how do we read fraction? Let's learn. So to write 1/2 in a fraction, you can write 1 upon 2. And to write or to show 1/3 in a fraction, you can write 1 upon 3 like this. For 1/4, 1 upon 4. For 1/6, 1 upon 6. For 1/8, 1 upon 8. And for 1/10, you can write it as 1 upon 10. So did you get it? Now students, parts of a set. Let's take an example. We made 6 cookies. 1 is a peanut butter and 5 are chocolate chip. How would you write the number of peanut butter cookies as a fraction? So students, first of all, you have to count or find out the total number of cookies. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total 8 cookies. So you have to write 6 as a denominator. And now we are going to count the number of peanut butter cookies. So here only 1 peanut butter cookies is given. It means you can write 1 as a numerator. So the fraction of number of peanut butter cookies is 1 upon 6, or you can say it as 1/6. Okay? So I hope you understood this concept very clearly. Now students, parts of a set. What fraction of triangles are red? So students, look here, there are 2 triangles. It means total number of triangles is 2. So you can write 2 as a denominator. And now we are going to find out the fraction for red triangle. So there is only 1 red triangle. So you can write 1 as a numerator. It means fraction of red triangles is 1/2. Now students, parts of a set. What fraction of the boxes are orange? So we are going to do the same process. First of all, how many boxes are there? 4. So you can write 4 as a denominator. And how many orange boxes are there? There is only 1 orange box. It means 1 is written as numerator. That means the fraction of the orange box is 1/4. Now students, What fraction of the stars are yellow? So let's count the total number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means total number of stars are 10. You can write 10 as a denominator. Now let's count the total number of yellow stars. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can write 4 as a numerator. Now the fraction of the stars that are yellow is 4 upon 10. So students, in this way, fraction for this kite is 1/2. So you understood the concept of fractions? Now students, here let's come to your textbook, page number 130. A complete or full object is a whole. So students, as you know that a complete or full object is a whole and a fraction is a part of a whole object. Let's take another example from your textbook. Today is Harpal's birthday. He divides his birthday cake into equal parts and share it with everyone. Now students, here fractions of a whole cake is given. So students, when an object is divided into two equal parts, each part is half of the whole and half is written as 1/2. Look here. This is a half of the whole. Now 1/3. When an object is divided into three equal parts, each part is 1/3 of the whole and 1/3 is written as 1/3. Students, here this is the fraction of 1/3, or you can say that this is 1/3 of the whole. Now next is 1/4. When an object is divided into four equal parts, each part is 1/4 of the whole or a quarter. So students, you can write 1/4 as 1/4 and 1/4 is also known as a quarter. So this is 1/4 or quarter of the whole. Now next is 3/4. So 3 out of 4 equal parts is called 3/4 and 3/4 is written as 3/4. The students, 3/4 is also called 3/4. So I hope you understood the concept of fractions very clearly by the help of this video. So students, that's it for today, and in our next video we will discuss about the exercises from this chapter. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Do practice all the exercises in your PC copy that are given in your WhatsApp group. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.